In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a page on Sellfy. We'll go from opening your dashboard to publishing a polished page that appears in your store's navigation, and I'll share helpful tips along the way. First, log into your Sellfy dashboard. From there, head to your storefront by selecting View My Store, then choose Customize Store. This opens the Customizer, which is where you build and design pages. Next, click plus Add New Page. You'll be prompted to enter a few essentials. Start with a clear page title. Think about FAQ or terms, so shoppers instantly know what the page is about. Then set the URL slug, which is the part of the web address that comes after your domain. Keep it short, readable, and relevant. For example, use about instead of a long phrase. And stick to lowercase letters and hyphens for neat links. Below that, you'll see optional SEO settings. Adding a concise meta description helps search engines understand your page and can improve how it appears in search results. You can also set a social preview image so your page looks professional when it's shared. These fields aren't required, but they're worth a few moments if you want better visibility. With the page created, it's time to arrange and style it. In the Customizer, drag modules up or down to get the order that tells your story best. Put key information at the top so visitors see it right away. Click the settings on any module to edit its content and appearance. Update text, adjust sizes, swap images, or change the layout to match the message you're delivering. As you refine the look, open the Store Style panel to set your fonts, colors, and theme. Keeping these consistent with your brand builds trust and makes your store feel cohesive. Aim for good contrast and readable font sizes so your page is accessible on both desktop and mobile. When your page looks exactly how you want, it's time to publish. Click Publish in the top right of the Customizer. Your new page is now part of your Sellfy store and will automatically appear in your site's navigation menu, making it easy for customers to find. And remember, nothing is set in stone. You can always come back later, reopen the Customizer, and edit the content or design as your brand evolves. That's it. Your Sellfy page is live and on brand.